So hi everyone, in this video we are going to see that how to use multiple condition within while loop or if statement. So for checking two more than one condition we can use and or flags within the loops. Okay, so let me create a variable which is num, and the second variable which is num2, num1 is having value 6. Okay, so now inside while loop we will mention num is equal to num minus 1. Okay, so it will be decrease, and this is a flag which is useful for making two condition within while loop. Okay, now the next condition, num1 is equal to num1 minus 1. Okay, now if both the conditions are true, then it will return as values of num and num1. Okay, so you can see that we are